Password reset not sending email on KeyBank Fix. You're trying to reset your KeyBank password, but the reset email never arrives. You refresh, you wait nothing. The good news. It's an easy fix once you know where to look. First, check your spam or junk folders. KeyBank reset messages typically come from no reply key. Many users find that their email provider automatically filters these as promotional or bulk mail. Use the search bar and look up KeyBank password to locate it quickly. If it's not there, make sure you're using the correct email address connected to your KeyBank online profile. Most people get this wrong if they've ever updated their contact details or opened multiple accounts. Try any older emails you've used before. Next, at Key, come to your Save Sender or Contacts list. Then, request a new password reset and wait about 10 minutes. If the message still doesn't appear, try using a desktop browser instead of the mobile app. App-based requests sometimes time out or fail to send due to weak connections or cached sessions. Another trick is to clear your browser cache and cookies before trying again. This ensures a fresh login session for the request. If nothing seems to work, reach out to KeyBank support. I'll confirm your identity and help you reset your password securely. Most people think their account's been locked or hacked, but the surprising truth is that it's usually a spam filter or incorrect email causing the delay. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll get that reset link and access your KeyBank account without a hitch.